This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video.
And my ride should be over in like 10 seconds. Oh my god! Oh, guys, I forgot that I'm in a public place, but this is just huge! I mean, am I seeing this right? Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? Hey guys, it's Mikey. My cab is on its way, and before getting in, I want to try my luck, and obviously, I couldn't expect any other outcome, so right now I'm just gonna get in, and I'm gonna continue, guys. Give me just a sec. So, you could see that I'm not a lucky guy at all. I don't believe in luck. I mean, luck is just bullshit, and I never rely on that. So, I'll try to play the same game, but I'm gonna play it the smart way, without relying on luck or coincidence or whatever. So I'm just gonna start with adjusting the settings. And basically, guys, while I'm doing this, I want to just say, wait a sec. I wanted to say that I'm recording this for fun, and basically this video is only for those aged 18 and older. And if you're underage, turn this video off immediately. So basically, I'm just gonna go ahead to this section. I'm gonna copy this thing. This is the part of the settings adjustment. I'm gonna drop it in the chat. Yeah, just like that. Basically, this is a famous crypto-themed minigame, like nothing serious at all. I never expect anything here, by the way, and actually, it's just a process of putting it to the test, and like no expectations whatsoever. I'm just having fun, and I'm waiting till it's loading. Yeah, great. And yeah, wait a sec. Sure, this is fixable, guys. Give me just a sec. I'm gonna do something here, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna select this thing, then I'm gonna copy this, and basically I'm just gonna continue here, and the process is a breeze, and it's no big deal at all. This is a part of regular settings adjustment, so no big deal at all. Okay, I'm just gonna drop it in here. Give me just a moment. Okay, I'm gonna drop this right here, and basically, I guess that's it. So, I'm just gonna hit this button, and it's already processing. Great. It's already processing. Hopefully it's not gonna take long, but I have no idea how long it will take. So, I'm gonna come back here, and I'm gonna... Yeah, great. That was fast. I'll tell you what. And finally, I can proceed to the most interesting part. I'm just gonna hit this button, and I'll tell you what, that already looks promising, but like I said, I never have any expectations, and I'm just gonna drop this test amount that I'm totally fine losing, and this is just for the sake of testing. I'm just putting things to the test, and like I said, guys, never repeat anything that you're seeing here. This is important. Okay. Okay, here comes the fun part, the gameplay, and the last one is here. It looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. No, I'll tell you what, that looks impressive, guys. That looks really, really impressive. Okay, I don't have much time to play. I'm just gonna stop right there, and here comes the most fascinating part, actually the most interesting part, because like I said, I have no expectations whatsoever. I have no idea what's gonna happen, so give me just a sec. I'm just gonna copy this thing. I'm gonna drop it here. Come on, this thing right here, then this button, and obviously it's done. Alrighty, so right now I'm just gonna go back here, and I'm just gonna wait. I don't know how long it will take, but hopefully it's gonna be over till I get to my destination. Alrighty, so I'm gonna refresh it. Okay, while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna go back here. Here I've got this post here, guys, and basically I'm just gonna... Yeah, this is this crypto-themed minigame. And like I said, guys, this is nothing serious at all. This is just fun and games, and basically I'm just gonna wait a few more seconds. I'm just gonna double check this chat. Nothing happens. Okay, I guess I have like half a minute, but I'm just gonna start refreshing this thing, and nothing happens, and okay, come on, and my ride should be over in like 10 seconds. Oh my god! Oh, guys, I forgot that I'm in a public place, but this is just huge. I mean, am I seeing this right? Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? And yeah, all the details are here. This is crazy, man. I'm speechless.